Hello and welcome, my dear fellas. Maycee Barber is set to go down against Kathleen Chookagian. Barber is a shorter fighter, 5'5", 65 inches of reach, while Choka is 5'9", 68 inches of reach, and she's got great BJJ, great ground skills, but she lost to Manon Fiorot, defeated Jennifer Maia, Amanda Ribas, and she is very, very good when it comes to ground wars, when it comes to long fights, and this is going to be a 3-rounder. Maycee Barber destroyed Amanda Ribas, was better than Andrea Lee, Jessica Eye, Montana De La Rosa, and I'm gonna be honest, the future should get the advantage here. She is in a better shape right now, she has a lot of time to grow, and I believe Maycee Barber is a better striker, but if the fight gets dragged to the ground, it might get tricky for Choka, as Choka is a very, very dangerous opponent, very tough fighter, and Choka is probably going to try to drag this one to the ground. Chookagian can take a beating, so I'm gonna say also over 2.5, but I'm gonna give side advantage to Maycee Barber. I think she's in a better shape at the moment.